Puppy.
What the fuck?
What's going on, guys? Big Al's Bike and Auto here, coming at you, and we've got everybody's favorite Jaydon here. He brought down his toy from Daytona Beach. It made the, was it a 4-hour trip?
Yep.
Made the 4-hour trip, no problem. He's gonna give us all the information on it once this loud-ass truck goes by. Jaydon, what year is it? 82?
83.
83. It's a 320?
Yeah, 320i.
320i. He's had the car for 5 years. He's even had articles written about it. This car has a lot of character, has a lot of notability. So Jaydon was just telling me, and that's why I said this will make a great YouTube video, because this car is very quirky. He was telling me the 2 issues it has. Go ahead, Jaydon. Why don't you tell us what the 2 issues are?
It has severe vapor lock, even though it's not carbureted. Actually, I just fixed the other issue. The turn signals only worked if there was a little piece of paper stuck in the hazard light switch. My friend got me a new one for my birthday, so that's fixed now.
So what have you done in the, I know obviously we want people watching the video to know, what have you done in the car in the past 5 years? From start to finish. And how much you bought it for, obviously?
I bought it for $800. Other than, basic maintenance like clutch and slave cylinder and fluids and all that. I got a bigger radiator because it likes to overheat all the time. Ireland Engineering silicone racing hoses, polyurethane bushing. I restored the rims as best I could because they were really bad. I did like four coats of paint, I guess.
Actually, they look really good.
Alpino rear lubers. These mud flaps are made from like Walmart floor mats. That I got a renowned USA steering wheel. First one, I guess. I haven't really done much to this other than fix it.
Jesus Christ, how old is this aftermarket deck? All right, we're gonna go ahead and take a spin in the 320i here.
I don't think your door's closed. That part.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
How
the hell do I open
like
it?
slam it right here.
No shit, huh? That's a pretty cool spot for it.
All right. I don't want to hear anything.
I don't want to get a copyright strike. Turn that off.
If this does what it normally does, I don't care. This starter has lasted me. Leave me alone. All right. Please just start right away.
There we go. Fired right up.
The longest it's ever taken to start is you just press your foot on the gas, hold it there, hold the key, 25 seconds.
Jesus Christ.
Everyone's like, you're gonna burn out your starter. And I'm like,
they're
no.
cheap and easy to change out. Who cares?
Manual steering.
Yep. This is a truly analog car.
And it doesn't like to rev above 3,500. Oh, nice. We're coming back this way.
This thing has so much character. I love it. How are the struts?
I think the fronts are blown. It's an excuse to get coilovers.
This is so cool. I want this thing badly. I like the steering wheel shimmy.
Oh yeah.
I love the wheel too. I think you were saying that earlier.
This is one of my favorite things.
Yeah. Oh, it makes the whole car, at least the inside.
Where do you want to?
I don't know. Go wherever you want. You have to go far.
Just making a loop. Alright, this is probably a bad idea.
Let's go around him.
I actually want to pull around and see that shop again.
Yeah, you do 2 laps around.
Brakes work fine, which is funny. Once I was driving my friend somewhere and I just lost all brakes and I didn't tell them until afterwards. They said they never wanted to ride with me.
What happened? Brake line or something?
I don't know. I never fixed it.
Really?
Never.
And it just fixed itself.
Yeah.
It's a character car.
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong. I think it might be timing or something, but it just does not want to go past 3,500. Like, this is foot to the floor. Mind yourself.
Jesus, what an asshole.
And it just doesn't want to go past 35.
as long as it kind of works, right?
Yep. He got me down here.
I like the wrench.
Yep.
Definitely need one of those in a BMW. I can tell you enjoy driving this much more than the other one.
Yep. I enjoy the speed of the other one, but this one, what do you call it?
The analog, you know?
Analog,
Yep.
sentimental value. The amount of crazy stuff I've done in this car.
Does it have enough friggin' vents? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Blower
6.
doesn't work. Blower stopped working when I jumped in.
So you have no air at all.
No. Blower stopped working.
I think you got
when I
that
jumped
crank
in.
open sunroof.
Yeah.
At least that won't break. Hold on, give me a couple of revs. I'm gonna hop out. How the?
I painted this when I was 15, and you can tell.
It looks a lot like my M44 in the 318. Even the intake design, it's just like it. The one big valve cover, but it's still small compared to an inline 6. What's up with the Dot 3 bottle right there?
Always come prepared. Like, oh, you want? Speaking of being prepared, you want to see my front? Gallon of gas, old water pump and hoses, my old radiator. All of these are filled with water. That's filled with water. My tool chest, I guess. First aid kit, air pump, and jumper cables.
Very prepared.
Oh, and of course, you'll need these sometimes.
Well, Jaydon, I gotta say, I love the character of it. I think for what you're into this car for, you can't beat it. I mean, it's a cheap, fun, classic car. Maybe what do you think?
I have the original cassette deck, but I like to have the aux cord.
So you hear all the noises it makes you driving it.
That is so cool. What is this?
That's the sunroof. It's manual.
Oh, God.
You gotta work for it.
Halfway strong.
How
Take it. Go to the right for a minute.
The right?
I want to get a good feel for it. Yeah.
Is this protected on the dashboard?
Yeah, well, the dashboard's already terrible. Well,
How cool is that steering wheel, babe?
That's not the original.
No, you put it on. Look at how it shakes.
It gets 55 to 65.
I love this thing. It's so balanced. How quirky is this car?
I love it. I love how compact everything is.
The dashboard looks a lot like the one in mine,
Yeah.
doesn't it?
This one looks better, actually.
Yeah, I agree. It's way cooler. This thing is so analog. Jaydon bought this for 800 bucks. And then he painted it and he did some other shit to it. He's only into it for $2,000. Would you buy this thing for $2,000? I sure as hell wish I bought this over mine. You kidding me?
Oh, look, it has a syrup lighter thing.
I mean, what is the AC thing? A knob you pull out or something?
No,
Oh, you just turn it?
that's how cold you want. Like this.
Yeah.
This is just air, so cool air, hot air. That one is.
Oh, there's one light for the blinker. That's interesting. It just tells you if it's on. It doesn't tell you which one.
Yep. And I told you about the old hazard light switch, right?
Yep.
Yeah. It's in there, and the piece of paper is still in it.
I like the handle thing to open the door.
Isn't that cool?
Get in the way.
I think my favorite thing is the sunroof.
Yeah.
That massive knob thing hanging down.
It's supposed to sit up, but
There's a lot of things this car is supposed to do and it doesn't do anymore.
yeah.
But we love it because of that. What's your your brake light that's on the top left?
Oh yeah, because I drive it off road all the time. I actually sheared the brake pad warning sensor. So
Surprised they had them, to be honest, for an 83.
Yeah.
Got brake pad warning sensors. Jeez.